Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an alpha bracelet step by step. This tutorial is beginner friendly, so don't worry if you're new to bracelet making. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. The threads I'm using are embroidery floss. I've got 15 strands, each 1 meter long. If you'd like to learn how to create this triangle shaped beginning for the bracelet, you can find a detailed tutorial in my other video. The link is in the description below. We're going to start with forward knots. To make a forward knot, create a shape like the number 4. Pass the working string through the loop and pull tight. Repeat this twice to complete one forward knot. We're going to do this on the first 9 strings, and when we reach the 10th string, we're going to add another color. Here I'm going to place the black leader string, which is the string we're making the knots with, under the threads we haven't worked on yet. I'm adding a new color and securing it with tape. Bring the yellow string under the threads that we haven't made any knots on yet. Now make a forward knot on the 10th string. Again, we're going to change the color. Place the yellow string under the threads and bring the black back. And make forward knots with the black string on the remaining threads. Now that we've gone from left to right, we're going to go back from right to left using backward knots. To make a backward knot, create a reverse 4 shape. And when you reach the 5th string, switch the black lead string with the yellow one. This is the 5th string and we should switch the colors. Put the black string under the threads and bring the yellow one forward. Change the string again and make black backward knots on 3 strings. Here we're going to add another color. Place the black string under the threads and bring in a red thread and make 2 backward knots with it. Now change the color back to black and make 3 backward knots. Here, change the color to red and add 1 knot with it. Then, on the last thread, make 1 black knot. Now we're going from left to right again, using forward knots. On the first thread, make a black forward knot. On the second thread, make a red knot. Then 2 black knots. Again, 1 red knot. After that, 2 black knots, then 1 red knot. Two black knots again, then 1 yellow knot. The rest of the knots in this row are black. Now, we're going from right to left using backward knots. On the first string, make a black knot. On the second and third strings, use a new color, pink or purple. Then make 2 black knots, followed by 1 yellow knot. After that, 1 black knot and 1 red knot. Now 2 black knots and 1 red knot. Again, 2 black knots and 1 red knot. And finally, 1 black backward knot. Up to this point, you've learned how to make forward and backward knots and how to change and add colors. This is the pattern we're following. We repeat this until we reach the 4th row. And now we should start with the 5th row with forward knots. This arrow means we're moving forward, so we use forward knots. And this arrow means backward knots. Here on the 1st and 2nd threads, make black knots. Then on the 3rd and 4th threads, make red knots. This is how we read patterns. I hope I explained it clearly. For the rest of the bracelet, you can continue using the pattern. I'll show the pattern on the screen so you can pause the video or take a screenshot and follow along. If you feel it's easier when you braid together with me, let me know in the comments and I'll upload the full continuation of the bracelet. This was the Stranger Things inspired bracelet. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, don't forget to like and leave a comment. And if you have any suggestions or ideas, I love to hear them. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.